So here is the kindergarten first grade classroom. Right here we have some of our work on the outside. We have a shared bulletin board between the two second and third grade and kindergarten first grade classroom. So come on in. Have our little welcome sign in here right in the front, and my calendar right here, my calendar items, the hundreds chart, days of the week, months of the year. We're doing the Dr. Seuss theme this year, as stated before in my website. We have our schedules, our overall class schedule, and our Kinder Corner schedule for the kindergartners following the SFA Kinder Corner plan. We have a little measurement, little measuring stick, I guess you could call it, mat thing, that I'm going to eventually start measuring the kids' heights. I have a smart board again. Awesome. It's the front carpet where they come for whole group lessons. And there's my guided reading table, McKinney-shaped table. Over here is where my writing center is at. They can come over here, grab the specific writing papers for whatever activity they're doing. Pencils are over here, folder games are over here. My SFA board with the different strategies, cooperative learning strategies, the word strategy, our schedule for reading routes, and then we have right here, it can slide, and here's more our 3-day schedule, our story map, our star story map with title, setting, characters, problem, and solution. Over here is our computer center. As before, when we do free choice centers, there are dots on each of the signs where students get to, if they want to come to that specific center, they can choose to take their clip and put it over here to say that they want to be at this center. If all the dots are covered up, then that means that that center is full. And you come over here. This is our sand table and water table. And over here is our little creative play center with kitchen items. I have a little table with one of my old blankets that I use for there. Our blocks needs to be reorganized again. Puppets for part of our creative play center. Over here is our listening center. They can put on the listening phones. They put it up to their ear and they can hear themselves read. We have some books on CDs that they can use to listen on these CD players. Our classroom library is over here. I have a showcase of students that have really worked hard on their activities. And part of our behavior management piece in this classroom is if they stay on green for a day, they get to get a sticker. And if they stay on green 4 out of the 5 days of the week, they get to be a part of an all-star party. Here's my desk over here. Very messy. Kind of need to clean it up again. Over here is our word wall that's ever changing. Just started adding some new words. And this is to track the students' progress for reading levels, DRA, and how many sight words they can read. Goes all the way up to 200. And over here is our the math center, where these are the math centers that are available during math workshop. They can come over and grab one of these. Plastic overlay sheets where they can use dry erase markers on these. Number line is out and available right now. And over here I have extras. Whenever students are working on independent work and they find themselves done with their work, they can come over here and grab a extra It's organized. The top is first grade material, bottom two is kindergarten material. Over here they have their books in an envelope. During guided reading they have different books that they start reading and working on, and also during SFA they have their own SFA books. And when they're finished with those books, they put them in the envelope and they can come back during Drop Everything and Read and have some time to themselves reading some familiar books. What else can I show you? It's a wonderful classroom, brand new school. There's their cubbies, their boots, cubbies for boots, and over here are the hooks for them to hang their stuff on. And lots of storage space. Everywhere you look, there's storage space. One of the nice things, it's a kind of a double-edged sword. The nice thing about this classroom is I have more than enough storage space. It kind of takes up a bit of the the movement area for the kids to move around in, and it takes up some wall space. But you know, you do what you can with it, and I mean, it's just an amazing setup. So this is my classroom.